another day to curse African Christians. E no go better for una. If una come outside today, make the thing wey go chop una dey find una. Make una no see the one wey una go chop. E no go better for African Christians. Because now, the reason we will not fit hold our politicians to account. Our communities are protected by ancestral deities. Because then we were fighting neighbors or people that were not very far off. But now, our enemy now is government, somebody that has collated our communities and is now assuming the responsibility that our ancestral deity was given to us. And the only way that I can trust that person is if he swears by that deity that has that responsibility. If you want to be a governor of Anambra State, come to Umuoji and I'll give you the deity that you use and swear by. All of us will agree. You see that all the communities in Anambra, in Umuoji, will say, use this deity and swear, and we believe that if you turn your back on your people, if Yelawata in Benue State happens and the governor turns his back on his people, it does not stop that from happening. It happens again. Let this deity go and eat this man in life and in death. Meaning that even when the deity has claimed him ASAP, even when the deity has claimed him ASAP, that he will still not be buried because he is still claimed by the deity. So his body will be carried and dumped in the forest of that deity. But because say that will be Christians, we don't divide and conquer us. The people we create these foreign deities that people are wasting all of us time with. People are playing with all of us. You are whining all of us with this bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Because of their deity, now you will not allow us have the consensus that everybody, that the only way to swear somebody in is with Alusi of each community that he's going to be representing their arrow as governor that you are, a colonial term. And if people don't want, let Umuoji start protecting themselves. Let these people start protecting themselves. So that if I want, we'll go and carry gun, because we are doing protecting ourselves now. Or we'll go and do whatever I want to do. But since you say that you are done protecting us, don't betray me. And the only reason I cannot hold them to account is you that is a Christian, you that is an Anambra Christian, you that is a Nigerian Christian, you that is an African Christian. Because that's the only reason I cannot hold them to account. You understand? So it will not be good for you today when you come outside. Let the thing that will eat you be looking for you on the land of your people. Though it's not on me. On the land of your people. On the land of your people. If that's not what they are now saying, if they are not tired of irresponsibility, of you being an the elder. I cannot be that thing. I cannot be an elder and I will know the solution to something and I will not know. You get? I know the solution. We are not playing. This is not a play. Like I am alone in wartime, you know. I'm on a wartime, you know, man. A time of war, you are using white chalk. No, you guys they put me now. This thing now a time to burn it out. The land is not good. See, things are not good. So we cannot be saying it's alright. These things are bad. People are murdering people's pregnant women and burning them on the ground. And Igala and Idoma and those, they have ancient deities that kind of thing. They are strong juju and that kind of thing is happening in their land. They are not happy. It's not Christianity that owns that land. So if you say that you're a Christian and you are the one, because they said it's these people, you know what I'm saying? Like if you say that you're a Christian, it no go better for you. Identify as a Christian at your own risk right now.